Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about BTC. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin on a 6-hour basis and what type of price action we're going to we could anticipate going into the first couple of days of the week and all that good stuff, right? So let's go ahead and review what we said regarding BTC on our previous update. What we said was like, we're going to be looking for a move down to, just about 30K and so 33K and so on. However, bulls most likely going to be creating this bullish sort of a bullish pattern, and they're going to call it a support right here, and they're going to try to push back up. However, bears basically going to anticipate a rejection from the 6-hour 100 EMA right here, or 1 hour 6-hour 21 EMA, excuse me, or 1 hour 100 EMA. Actually, the 1 hour 100 EMA was actually spot on. Remember guys, when I was telling you, you can either short it at the 6-hour 21 EMA or the 1 hour 100 EMA. If we take a look at it on the 1 hour basis, was spot on. We got a beautiful double top right here, okay, right there. Even though we basically did not hit the 6-hour 21, the 1 hour 100 EMA was spot on exactly guys, on just about 36.3 and so on, right? So if we go back to the higher time frame, higher than 1 hour, basically 6-hour time frame, you can see like the rejection we got right here basically is taking us back down to a support area, where we got support at 30K, the same trend line, just about 31K right here, and that's the same exact trend line we're using right now as a temporary support. So we could get a potential bounce back up, right, if buying pressure increases. If you take a look at the buying pressure right here, we do not we don't have a high buying pressure since like May 29th, after the big dump to a 30K right here. It is a big reversal candle, but buying volume just been like dying over and over. Okay, just no sign of buying pressure. Can we get a big buying pressure? Absolutely, yes, we could get a buying pressure. That's why we just have to keep an eye on the potential basically rejection. If we get excuse me, if we get a wick to the upside, we could be looking for the upper level trend line right here, okay, which is just about like 39K, excuse me, 39 to a 38K range. If bulls are strong enough, they could be looking for the 1 hour 100 EMA. Right now it is just about like 43, right? So something to keep in mind over the next like a few days and so on. But the main support line going to be just about 31, 31 average. It could go lower, but just in case, okay. But the average for take profits for most bears definitely going to be 31K. And once we get support from 31K or even break 31K, we're gonna go for another potential setup and all that good stuff, right? But before we talk about another setup, let's take a look at the potential descending triangle formation. We could basically also anticipate regarding the 30K support, right? One of the reasons why I'm basically paying attention to a 30K to a 31 to 30K area is like the range right here could be a long-term trend line support, okay. We could create this basically descending triangle and could be in this range forever. We just don't know how strong market sentiment going to stay, because market sentiment right now, it is strongly bearish. So let's see if the sentiment going to change once we basically retest like a 30K. So 30K, it is a macro support. Once again, it is basically the 50-day EMA, right? I mean 50 weekly 50 EMA. It is just about at 30K. The 3 weeks 21 EMA, it is just about 30K also. So let's take a look at it right here. If we take a look at it on a weekly basis, right, we can see right here the weekly 50 EMA, it is just about like 50K. So how long we're gonna stay at 50K, we just don't know. So we just have how long we're gonna stay at 50K, 30K, we just don't know. So we just have to respect the support level right here, till we basically break it. We got the 100 EMA just about like a 25K and so on. So something to keep in mind. but we're just going to focus on the short-term analysis. As I said, right, the short-term analysis support going to be just about 30k. Resistance, of course, definitely going to be 39 once again. Right here, if we break 39, we could be looking for higher resistance up to basically 43 and so on, right? All right, guys, that's all I wanted to cover for today. So if you're new to our content, don't forget to hit the likes, don't forget to join our public Telegram group, link in the description and all that good stuff, right? All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching.